Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making turkey ragu. I canned a ton of tomatoes a few weeks ago, and I am in a tomatoey saucy recipe testing mood, if you will. And so I was testing this recipe and I really loved it. I was able to sneak in veggies because sometimes Gabe, he has his days where he'll eat them and then he has his days when he won't. And with this recipe, he didn't even know they were there. So I'm so excited to share it with you. So let's get started.